It's the Three Musketeers.
And it is
Johnny,
Johnny,
Savannah,
and
and
Cecilia.
Cecilia.
Giggity, giggity.
I have Mr. Goober here. Okay, so we're gonna go ride our bikes around the neighborhood, but I'm riding a scooter. So we're going to go get the bikes, and where are you? And the one scooter. Black. We got the pink, and we got the scooter. Pump for Johnny's. We got Mr. Mechanical Man over here pumping his tire. Mr. Goober cannot come with us. Hey, we got that disco ball. We got that disco ball. We got that disco ball. Hey, we're going to go now. We're going to update you. But let's go. Oh. We biked for about like 30 minutes. Like up and down the street. But
What?
Okay.
Huh?
he's
You okay
eating
there?
his Taki Room balls. Goes the goofball. Go goof. Why
Papa
is
Willie.
this? Damn. Don't mind the trash. Oh yes, there he goes. We got the goofball. Hey, here he comes.
What the fuck?
Play Dress to Impress now. But I don't think Johnny has ever played Dress to Impress, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, so I'm screen recording.
Your third reel? What the fuck is your third reel?
Light dreamy looks with a magical feel.
Oh god.
How did I get canceled?
I'm gonna do a black person. What is this bitch doing?
I don't know if you can say they don't hear. Guys, help me.
You have your speaker on?
Yeah.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
You don't.
Girl, that's freaking voice chat. You're not gonna be able to hear me because you don't have voice chat. See?
What is it? Light what?
It's right here. Okay, what freak are you gonna do then?
Do the green goblin.
Okay, I guess that works. Yeah, I have to make up this random outfit. Surreal.
Oh my god, I just read it to you. Light dreamy looks with magical feel.
Ew, get your toes off me. I hate toes.
You just sniffed my toes, really?
Yeah, but like, I hate when people touch me with their toes. Yes, over you. No, I have a stuffy nose. I have a stuffy nose. Wait, no. Crap, I need hair. Oh crap. Oh. Crap, I need my nails done. Crap! She could like...
Stop! I look a prostitute.
I can see you on my thing here.
The hell is it? Where the hell is it? Oh god, I'm cooked. Well, I'm not
Oh
that
shit,
cooked.
shit.
9, 8,
Okay,
7,
come outfit. Okay,
My laces are black.
it's okay, girl. Okay, that's freaking ugly. She freaking does look like nacho cheese, bruh. There are freaking taquitos on her head. Don't vote her.
I'm not. Damn.
Okay, I actually rate it 0 stars.
I don't like this bitch.
No, I'm watching it.
What the hell is that?
Johnny, what the heck?
That's not Johnny.
Can
That's
That is
even-
not.
you vote 0 stars?
No, you can't. You can only vote 1. If you put nothing, then 0.
Girl, that's Tinkerbell. Girl, she has the yellow hair, not even blonde. Can you guys talk? So quiet.
We're focusing on the game.
Let's give it your wrist.
Bro, I just called you too.
Oh my god.
You stink.
Yeah.
What the hell is
What's
that
that?
name?
Alasma?
Asma balls.
Asma balls.
Oh crap. That's cute.
I thought it said trans setter.
Trans. You're farting.
No, I was trying to breathe.
Oh my god, how long does this girl need to be up here?
Get
It's
off the
frozen.
stage.
It's frozen.
I know, wait for me.
No, it's not.
That is.
We all got disconnected. We didn't even get to show our outfits.
I had a good idea.
Bro, my outfit is actually so good. No, press leave.
Oh damn, I pressed reconnect. Damn, Johnny.
I have no Wi-Fi.
It's Johnny's fucking ass that made us disconnect.
Sorry.
Thanks
cancel
for
me,
watching.
bitches.